Hello, my name is Peter White, and today I am going to show you how to solve two-word problems using a number line and also base 10 place values. Okay, the question says, Barbara baked 100 cupcakes. I circled 100 because that's a number, and I underlined cupcakes because we're talking about 100 cupcakes. I boxed in either because when you see that word, that means they're about to compare something. As you can see, it says that either had sprinkles or chocolate chips. 63 of her cupcakes had sprinkles. Once again, I circled 63 because that's the amount of cupcakes. And I underline sprinkles because that's the amount of cupcakes that has sprinkles. How many more chocolate chip cupcakes does she have than cupcakes with sprinkles? I underlined all of that sentence because that is our question. Okay, right now I'm going to solve the problem by using basic operations. We already established that Barbara baked 100 cupcakes, and that is our total. We already know that 63 of those cupcakes that she baked has sprinkles. So the question is asking how many more chocolate chip cupcakes does she have than cupcakes with sprinkles? So in other words, we are trying to find out how many chocolate chip cupcakes did she bake. So, should we use adding or should we subtract? Let's see. If I add, that would give me 163. Is that right? No, that is not right because we already know that she baked a total of 100 cupcakes. We cannot go over, therefore we cannot add. Basically what we have to do is we have to find the difference between the total and also the difference between the amount of cupcakes that has sprinkles. So we already know that the total is 100. And we know that she baked 63 cupcakes with sprinkles. In order to find the amount of chocolate chip cupcakes, we have to subtract. We have to find the difference. So in order to do that, we have to subtract. So let's get started. Okay, 100 minus 63. So tell me, 0 minus 3, can we even subtract that? No, we cannot subtract that because the top number is supposed to be bigger than the bottom number. If the bottom number is bigger than the top, we have to regroup. So we can't regroup from the 0, but we can regroup from the 1. This 1 will turn to a 0, and the 1 would jump over here, and it turns to a 10. And so right now we need to change this 0 to a bigger number. So we're going to regroup from this 10, turn that to a 9, and we're going to turn this 0 into a 10. Now is 10 bigger than 3? Yes it is, so let's get started. Okay, 10 minus 3 gives you what? That's right, 7. Okay, 9 minus 6 give you what? Exactly 3. So your answer is 37. If you look at my previous video, I discussed base 10 place values. As you know, this is a 1 unit. This is called a rod. And this is called a flat. 10 of these units equals a rod, and 10 of these rods equals a flat. Okay, I am going to solve the problem by using base 10s. As you can see, I have 6 rods, 2, 4, 6, and we have 3 ones. So that equals 63. And as the question says, 63 of her cupcakes has sprinkles. So this represents sprinkles. This right here, as I stated before, 10 rods equals a flat. Therefore, it's 100 in total. And that's going to be our total. So, now we're trying to figure out how many more chocolate chip cupcakes does she have than cupcakes with sprinkles. In order to find that, what we can do is we can get the flat and we could put the 63 underneath it. So it will look something like this. Like this. Because remember I told you 10 rods equals a flat. So you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Our goal is to make an identical flat just like this because the total is 100. We already know 63 has sprinkles. So right now we got to try to find the chocolate chips. So tell me, we have 3 ones right here. How many more ones can we have in order to make another rod? Exactly, 7. So let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ta-da! Look, we have a rod. So now we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. We have 70 ones and 7 tens. So, how many rods do we need left? Exactly 3. 1, 2, and 3. Oh my God. We have a similar flat. So we needed how many pieces? 37. Exactly. We needed 7 ones and we needed 3 tens. So the total is 37. Okay, the problem, it says Jim ate 30 slices of pizza. The next day, he ate 40 more slices of pizza. How many slices did Jim eat all together? Okay, we're going to find this out from a number line. Okay, as we know, Jim ate 30 slices of pizza the first day. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a little pizza on 30 because that represents the amount of slices he ate on the first day. So now we know the next day he ate 40 more slices. So that means we have to go 40 more times in order to find out how many slices he ate altogether. So that means we have to go 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. And then we have to continue. But that's going to take a long time. So what can we do to make the process faster? Exactly. Let's skip count. So let's skip count by tens since it's already going by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So we need to skip count by tens until we reach 40 additional more slices. So let's get started. 10, 20, 30, 40. Oh, we made it. 40 additional slices. And the answer is 70. So he ate a total of 70 pizzas.